How a tree grows. A tree grows from its tips and gets bigger around. It grows fast in the spring and slow in the summer. The spring wood is light colored. The summer wood is dark. This creates growth rings. Some years the tree grows extra fast and the growth ring is wide. Some years the tree grows slow and the growth ring is narrow. Over time, the tree stores waste in the center of the trunk. The center becomes the heartwood. Water flows through the outer rings called the xylem. The phloem transports sugars from the leaves. The bark protects the tree. By counting the growth rings, you can find out the age of the tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can even see good years when a tree had enough sunlight and water to grow fast, and slow years when the tree didn't have enough sunlight or water to grow well. Can you draw a tree to represent your life? How many growth rings do you have? What special event happened each year? Age 1, I learned to walk. Age 2, I learned to talk. Age 3, we visited Disney World. Age 4, I started preschool. Age 5, I loved yellow. Age 6, I lost my first tooth. Age 7, I got a bike. Now, draw your own.